You guys should see this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. My name is Parrot. More like Coochie Coo. And this is called, where are you going, little Coochie Coo? Where are you going, little Coochie Coo? That was my butt. Yeah, I know. Isn't that funny? I should be doing this in front of an audience. Or maybe a video. Or a movie. I'm a parrot. This is my owner. It's about a bird who's very bad to a person. You should watch it. It's hilarious. Sorry. Hold on. Why are you gonna let me catch you? I told you that. Do that again. Yeah. You got it, man. Do it. Get your face on it. Sorry, I'm a parrot. She's psychic. Wait, where I fall? Yeah!